Fashionpreneur Tour. We just landed in Atlanta and we are stressed because we requested a projector, we requested additional chairs, and we have neither. And class is in what, less than 12 hours? Yeah, but watch us figure it out because that's what we do. So the designs that Steven has, we didn't get them sampled in the US.
Right.
So what we're gonna have to do is now get them sampled in China. But I still need you to get the .rul files for the US.
Okay.
And we can digitize them. Well, those digitized files will be sent to China as well. We have them in the US and in China.
Right.
So what do you think is the best fit for production?
I think the best bet is honestly the US for our new pieces.
Jonathan?
Yes, just because we're closer contact. As soon as he gets done with them, we can literally go a few blocks over and grab them. Since we're so short on time more than anything. Because shipping, we don't want the shipping delays that we've had in the past.
How do you feel about the fleece? Us having to dye the fleece?
So that's a whole other thing because the dye factories, they only roll they dye minimum of 12 rolls. So we can't do that. We don't have enough orders for it. So in turn, I feel like the hoodies still need to be done overseas, but he's already got something going on with the hoodie that seems to be the right direction, and he's got the boy short. So I feel like the legging and the other one should, the legging and the jumper should stay here, but other than that, I think everything should stay in China.
Josie is my amazing assistant. She does all of my flat sketches, product sketches, illustrations, sourcing, product development for all of my designs at a regular exposure. So I pretty much give her my concepts and she brings them to life. So she handles my pattern making meetings, size grading, you manage that, production, so you do it all. You do it all. All right, so we got to figure this collection out in 3 weeks. So yeah, we have a new collection we're dropping in 3 weeks, and we're still in concept, but we'll get that.
Yeah. Just a few hiccups.
Just a few hiccups, but.
So we don't have to in the morning. Happens. Thank you. You're welcome.
Welcome to the Fashionpreneur Tour, ATL. This is how we're gonna kind of look at your brand all day today. I want you to think of it as a baby that you're nurturing, all right? So prior to the launch, you have this unborn baby, all right? You have very little knowledge about his personality, how it's gonna move in the world, if it's gonna be healthy or not. So let the baby grow. When the baby's first born, it's gonna be a newborn. You have to let it grow into 3 months and 6 months. Then you're gonna learn the personality just like your own baby. You are gonna have some time where people may not purchase right away. You're gonna have some time where you feel like you might have wasted some money on running ads and marketing. It's all part, welcome to entrepreneurship. It's all part of the game. If you don't hire anybody, I wanna give you guys the 2 A's, the accountant and the attorney. They're the most important people. Social media moves off trends, just like fashion. So if you are not paying attention to the shifts within social media, I'm telling you, it's not going to be successful. So if you're not great at social media, hire someone younger that is great at social media. These are some questions I want you guys to ask yourself before you manufacture a line. Have you considered the cost to manufacture the line? Can you afford manufacturing, or should you start with wholesale buying? Why am I designing a collection? What are you even doing it for? Am I a creative that can push out new drops consistently? So if you're doing this for creative reasons, are you really a true designer that can push out new releases and new drops? Do I have a budget required for the marketing behind a designer label? What influencers or partners align with your brand? Is your turnaround time realistic with manufacturing? And do I have a full collection concept? Group 1 for Find Your Fit. Thank y'all so much for sticking around. It was a long day. Very long day.